So my favorite thing I'm using it for right now is to gather better qualitative feedback in 3 simple steps. Step 1, you're gonna, instead of trying to create questions from scratch, you're gonna head over to Gemini and you're gonna have it draft a couple of questions where you can use for live interviews. So you're gonna prompt it with something like, generate me 10 questions for a 30-minute interview to use with GTM to talk about YouTube video incentives. Next, you're gonna go to Google Meet. I know you guys are already having these conversations there anyway, but you're gonna hit that lovely transcribe button. It's gonna let you focus on having that conversation being present, but having a beautiful, clean transcript. Step 3, this is where the magic happens. You're gonna take that transcript, you're going to take those questions, and you're going to pop them both into Gemini. And we're gonna prompt it a little bit of something like, act as if you were a top qualitative researcher doing a sentiment analysis, taking the questions that we have, come up with consolidated answers using this transcript. It's going to come together and magically spit out some consolidated answers to all of your questions. So once again, I'm Misha, and I hope this makes your life a little bit better on your daily AI adventures.